HECT Technology, your partner for safe bulk material handling. Today we are visiting Freiburg, the headquarters of Pfizer Manufacturing, Germany, one of the largest manufacturers of pharmaceuticals worldwide. By implementing a continuous manufacturing process in 2 production lines, a new technology standard in terms of tablet production could be realized. Compared to the common batch process, the Conti process speeds up production cycles, improves the overall efficiency, and reduces costs significantly. In this project, HECT supplied 10 big bag discharging stations and 10 vacuum conveying systems type PCC, which steadily feed the continuous process with raw material. The big bags, containing different products, are being transported to the production lines with 5 discharging stations each. A GMP-compliant design, as well as dust-free discharging, were the key requirements of our customer. This represents the final manual step before the production starts to run fully automated and therefore continuously. The customer decided to work with HECT because we are able to fully integrate and customize our systems to their processes. In the next step, the products are being conveyed by the PCCs, which are characterized by a high performance and its whip-zip functionality. The PCCs are feeding differential dosing systems, which transport the product to the subsequent continuous blender. The mobile SIP system ensures a simple cleaning of the installed pipelines connecting the big bag discharging station to our PCC vacuum conveyors. For the cleaning of the discharging stations, a mobile trolley is used to transport the connection system to the wet cleaning procedure. It was a pleasure to work with Pfizer on this project, and together we managed to find an ideal customized solution for their process. In this project, we were able to perfectly implement our know-how in terms of containment and handling of bulk material to the specifications of a modern continuous manufacturing process. We are very proud to be part of this prestigious worldwide project. Convince yourselves and trust the solutions of HECT Technology.